Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the TCL C855 and showing you the best calibration settings to get a natural cinema quality picture, perfect for movies, gaming, or streaming. If you want the most accurate colors and deep blacks without all the artificial enhancements, stick around till the end. First, let's talk about the basic picture settings. Start by setting your picture mode to movie. This is hands down the most accurate out of the box preset. Next, adjust brightness to around 30. If you're in a really bright room, you can raise it slightly or lower it in darker rooms to avoid crushing shadows. Contrast should be set to 97. This balances your highlights and shadows beautifully. For deep, rich blacks that still retain detail, set black level to 50. When it comes to color, choose color temperature, warm/neg -5. This will give you realistic skin tones and natural colors across the board. Keep sharpness at 0. Trust me, this avoids the artificial edge enhancement that can make images look fake. And for tint, go with 250 to maintain balanced, natural skin tones. Now, let's dive into the advanced adjustments. Set local contrast and micro contrast to high to add depth and enhance fine detail without overdoing it. Gamma should be 2, giving you consistent overall brightness. Here's the crucial part. Disable a bunch of features that may actually harm your viewing experience. Turn off dynamic contrast, black stretch, dynamic brightness, motion clarity, dynamic acceleration, and noise reduction. These can create unnatural brightness shifts, give that soap opera motion effect, or remove fine picture details you actually want to see. And that's it. With these settings, your TCL C855 will deliver a clean, natural, and cinematic picture that works perfectly whether you're watching movies, playing games, or streaming your favorite shows. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any future tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy that beautiful picture quality.